Are you wondering how to replace the filter in your Frieling French press? It's very easy. Just follow along with me today here on FrenchPressCoffee.com. First step to replacing the filter for your Frieling French press is to choose the right filter. Now, if you don't know which filter to get, there is a link in the description of this video where we have information you need on the size and the type of filter that you need for your French press. Once you have your filter, you're going to move on to step number 2, which is to remove your old filter. To do that, just simply remove your press, unscrew, and then you can remove your old filter. Now there's 2 filters in the Frieling French press. You've got your bottom filter, and then you have your top, which is a micro filter. So your bottom filter is going to handle the first level of filtration, and then your top micro filter will handle the second layer of filtration. All right, and now we're just going to replace our old filter with our new. You're going to notice right here on my filter on the sticker, it's circled 44 ounce, so I know that I've got the right filter for my big old 44 ounce Frieling French press. Open this guy up, get our new filter, and look at that, nice and clean. And now we're just going to place our first filter, then our second filter, and then we'll place the top of our filter apparatus right here, and then we'll screw everything back together. And that's it. You're good to go. Now you may find that when you do put this back into your French press for the first time, it's going to be a little harder to press down. That's because it's just going to start forming and shaping to the best shape of your French press, but that's important. That means that it's going to do its best job at filtering your coffee when you're done brewing. And one important thing to note, if you don't know what type of Frieling French press you have and you're looking for a replacement filter for it, we've got a quick hack for you. Look on the bottom of your Frieling French press and you'll find a number right here. Use that number to cross-reference with our diagram that you can find in the link in the description of this video. That'll tell you what filter you should get. Now, if you do flip your Frieling French press over and you don't have one of those numbers, just give us a call or email us at FrenchPressCoffee.com. We'll be happy to help you to find the right filter for your Frieling French press. And there you have it, everyone. That's how to replace the filter on your Frieling French press. You can see it's very quick and easy, but it is a good thing to do to make sure that you keep getting a great cup of coffee from your Frieling French press. If you have questions, comments, or anything else, get in touch in the comments section of this video or on FrenchPressCoffee.com. And thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. I'll see you next time, and take care. Did you like that coffee video? Give us a thumbs up. It's right there. Make sure to subscribe. And I'm going to tell you an awesome coffee quote. Oh, it's right there. I'll wait. I got things to keep me busy. Right there. Got it? All right. Check it out. Chocolate, men, and coffee. Some things are better rich.